Hi all, myself Harini Rajesh. I am currently pursuing my BSc Computer Science with Artificial Intelligence degree in SDNB Vaishnav College through FacePrep Campus. I am here to share my experience through FacePrep Campus in last semester. I am splitting it into parts as technical, communication and teamwork. While coming into the technical part, I have earned many certifications in various platforms like LinkedIn, TCS and Infosys. In LinkedIn, I had the opportunity to earn more than 500 plus certifications. I had an opportunity to visit to Microsoft for AI Bangalore tour. I had an opportunity to meet Mr. Satyanadella sir, the Microsoft CEO, and I had an experience in listening the speech of him. He pointed out what are all the upcoming technologies and how we should prepare ourselves for the placement. And while coming to the technical part, we had practiced many coding scenario questions in the various platforms like TCS Code Beta and HackRank. While coming into the communication section, we have regular speaking classes. Mentor will give on-spot topics and we have been training in listening, speaking and reading and writing skills for cracking the placements. While coming to the teamwork, in the previous semester, we have organized many team events which indulged our teamwork and to be on stage in many events. Overall, it was a ride which shaped me who I am today. I thank my mentors, FacePrep Campus and college for giving me such an experience.